Hi, my name is Jerica Koyoka. I'm 37 years old. I'm a mother. I have two kids, one girl 9 years old and one boy 7 years old. I've been here in Hong Kong since 2018 up to now. I am still working with my employer. I started work with them since 2021 and my visa will end on January 27, 2025. And my contract will end on December 22, 2024. I work with them 4 years. My employers have one kid boy. When I started work with them, the boy is almost 4 years old. My both employers go to work every weekdays. My main duty here is to look after the boy since he was small when I stepped in here. Kindergarten is only half day, so I need to bring him to school bus place station. Since he has only half day of school, I prepare food for him, look after him and play with him, and to make friends in the playground when he has a free time. Since the boy is grown up now to 9 years old, he has a whole day of school. So I just prepare food for dinner for the family. I go to the supermarket most of the time like Yata and Fusion. Rarely only I go to the wet market because I don't have time already. I am the one who handle our weekly budget for our foods. I do the housework like cleaning, ironing, and laundries. My employer will give me a reference letter when they will release me. I have also a work experience in Hong Kong before, 2018 to 2021, with the Chinese family. That was COVID time, and they forgot already in China. I have also experience in Middle East, 8 years for one employer, since 2024 and end up to 2013 with finished contract. Thank you and have a nice day.